The concept of a satanic new world order using vaccines to control the population is a conspiracy theory that has gained significant attention in recent years. This idea suggests that a group of powerful individuals, often associated with Satanism or other occult practices, are secretly manipulating world events to establish a one-world government that would exert total control over humanity. According to this theory, vaccines are one of the primary tools used by this group to achieve their goals. Proponents of this theory claim that vaccines contain hidden ingredients or microchips that can be used to track and manipulate individuals. They argue that these vaccines are designed to weaken the immune system, making people more susceptible to mind control and other forms of manipulation. Some even believe that vaccines are being used to spread diseases rather than prevent them, in order to create a sense of chaos and panic that would allow the New World Order to exert more control over the population. One of the key figures often associated with this conspiracy theory is Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft and a prominent philanthropist. Gates has been accused of using his wealth and influence to promote vaccines as a means of population control. His foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, has been involved in various vaccine-related initiatives, including the development and distribution of vaccines in developing countries. However, some conspiracy theorists believe that Gates' true intentions are more sinister, and that he is using vaccines to spread diseases and manipulate the population. Another key aspect of this conspiracy theory is the idea that vaccines are being used to implant microchips or other tracking devices in people's bodies. This idea is often linked to the concept of the mark of the beast, a biblical reference to a symbol or sign that will be used to identify those who worship the Antichrist. Some believers think that vaccines contain tiny microchips or RFID devices that can be used to track people's movements and activities, and that these devices could even be used to control people's thoughts and actions. Despite the lack of evidence to support these claims, the idea that vaccines are being used to control the population has gained significant traction in some circles. Many people are skeptical of the government and other institutions, and are therefore more likely to believe in conspiracy theories that suggest these entities are working against their interests. The rise of social media has also contributed to the spread of these ideas, as people can now easily share and access information that would have been difficult to find in the past. However, it is essential to note that there is no credible evidence to support the claim that vaccines are being used to control the population. The ingredients and manufacturing processes used to produce vaccines are strictly regulated and monitored by government agencies and other organizations, and the science behind vaccine development is well established. Vaccines have been proven to be safe and effective in preventing the spread of diseases, and they have saved countless lives over the years. In addition, the idea that Bill Gates or other individuals are using vaccines to manipulate the population is not supported by any credible evidence. While it is true that Gates has been involved in various vaccine-related initiatives, his foundation's work in this area is focused on improving public health and saving lives, not on controlling the population. In conclusion, the idea that the satanic New World Order is using vaccines to control the population is a baseless conspiracy theory that has no credible evidence to support it. While it is understandable that people may be skeptical of institutions and authority figures, it is essential to approach these issues with a critical and nuanced perspective, and to rely on credible sources of information rather than speculation and rumor. Vaccines have been proven to be a safe and effective way to prevent the spread of diseases, and they have saved countless lives over the years. Rather than spreading misinformation and fueling conspiracy theories, we should focus on promoting public health and well-being, and on supporting the development and distribution of vaccines that can help to protect people from preventable diseases.